life cycle of a pepper plant. Last week we measured the size of a pepper seed, and this week we're going to look at how to plant these small seeds. We're going to start by looking at the seed pack. Most of the information we need is found on the back of the seed pack. There is so much information here. This helps us know when to plant the seeds, how warm the soil needs to be, and all sorts of other helpful information you need when getting ready to plant seeds. We're going to look at one important part of the seed pack. Here we can learn a little bit more about peppers in particular. Not all seeds are the same. Peppers come from warm areas, so we need to start the seeds inside. Once the seeds get stronger, we can move the small plants outside in the late spring. Then the plants have time to grow into large plants and put on fruit. Did you know that a pepper is a fruit and that delicious thing you eat is the fruit of the plant? Okay, now that we know a little bit more about pepper seeds, let's start planting. Here I have a tray full of soil. I'm using a pencil to make some divots or small holes in the soil for my planting. I just make them fairly small. They don't need to be very deep. Pepper seeds are small. Next, I'm going to drop 2 or 3 seeds in each hole. 2 is ideal, but sometimes 3 get in there. I hold the seeds in my hand and gently drop them each into the hole. I then will cover them up with a little bit of soil. Everything I'm showing you is happening in my home. So if you have a space with a window that gets lots of light, you can also plant seeds at home. I want to show you another technique I learned for planting. I learned this from a farmer who plants a lot of seeds. I folded a piece of paper and am gently using a sharp pencil to scooch each of those seeds into a hole. It actually is really helpful. I again just cover them up with a little bit of soil, and soon I'll water them and they'll be ready to grow. And that's it. Today we learned a little bit about reading a seed pack and planting seeds. Next time, we're going to look at how to thin the plants once they start to get a little larger. We'll see you then.